All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house in a fancy way because I got 7 beauties laid down on the table. Would you look at this gorgeous view? And I'm just gonna go through these guys just to show you what like a knife can achieve in the full dress configuration. Some are mid-tech, some are custom, full customs, and handmade. Some are machined, but regardless, these guys all are employing fancy materials. They're gonna be rare, expensive, so mainly like to collect, but still functional art. But I'm just gonna go real quick through these fellas, starting from this guy right over here. This is Kirby Lambert, Augustus. It's an insane one of my favorite builds from the man. He's an artist, is fantastically cool to work with. This is Augustus full size knife, mammoth, ivory for the scales with an underlay of meteorite and zircon bronze Damascus kind of bolster going on, inlaid with ivory, pivot with the zirc collar. On the other side you get the same configuration with the hidden hardware, zirconium pocket clip, and meteorite backspacer as well. Of course, you got a Dama core blade going on right over there. So that's like a gorgeous use of materials. Like in this case here, you see a Mokutai full integral frame, Mokutai clip with a hand rub satin blade for this large Nirvana 4.0 by Peter Rossenti, Canadian maker as well. This is one of my favorite design. Fantastic jimping, is just like a gorgeous one, super classy, fidgety. The sound, guys, you gotta hear this in person because it's just gorgeous. Next up, we got a Rod Olson Galaxy. This is a button lock, also made in Canada. You can deploy this thing with the thumb. You can do like a reverse flick like that, or you can just deploy it with the button lock. Rod Olson is known for its crazy button locks, custom button, custom pivot, hidden hardware, set of scales, zircutai handle, Dama steel inlays. Would you look at this floating backspacer? And of course you have a deeply etched and polished Dama steel blade going on over here for this incredibly smooth button lock from Canada. Next up, we got a couple from US. This is Holt Blade Works. It's a Spectre V4 liner lock in a time mask, set of scales, milled clip, matching spacer. Of course, we got a mirror polished blade, gorgeously sliding down. Would you look at this fella on skiff bearings? It's just ridiculously good, and also is absolutely stunningly good. This look at this zircutai haptic. That's a V1, and it's a fantastic one. Also from Holt Blade Works. Gorgeous one, milled clip. It has a truly outstanding finish onto it. Would you look at this? Colors, of course, we got a Cody Utzler duckling in a 4 alloy zircutai set of scales with the all zirc accents, thumb studs, pivot collar. You got a spacer and pocket clip in blasted zirconium, hand drop CTS XHP steel for this little fella. Very smooth, very rare, one-off blade from Cody. And lastly but not leastly, we got a Sharp by Design, Brian Nadeau made Tempest in a full dress. You get a Dama steel blade, time mascus handle, gorgeously milled and anodized. Guys, this thing is ridiculously good. And these guys are all ridiculously expensive and ridiculously rare. There's only one of these. So good luck with the hunt. They might be released in the wild, who knows? But here is just a quick example of how a fancy knife can look and can be. And here you have one for each day of the week if you really feel fancy. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.